Good afternoon, guys. Just a heads up, some of you especially the bikes when you ride for some time you hear this like bird chirping sound, like chee 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 when you cycle. Can hear? Chee chee chee. But this is not too loud yet. But the customer came to us because the bike is purchased from us, so we know this sound very well So it's due to here. So there's like a loop in it, but it dried up already, so it's plastic. Grinding against plastic so it's here. So what we're gonna do is actually we're gonna dismantle this whole pulley tensioner and then get it done So I see if I can put the camera in a nice position where you can see what I'm doing. And see if I can help you guys to do your own maintenance if you are a hands-on person. So change the gear to number 3, to the previous gear. Make sure that you get a slack here. Just untighten this. Okay. Just pull this out. And you see this little piece here. Just unscrew it. Okay. Just put it aside. So before you do anything, you have to slacken the chain. So what you do is take out the chain, front chain ring. Okay, this goes to the back and then release it. Take a size 15 spanner and release it. Okay, this will release. So all this, put it aside. Make sure you know where you put it. Okay. So you are left with this pulley. Let me just. Okay, you're left with this pulley here. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna dismantle it. Today, nobody help me to hold camera. Let me see the position. Sorry, workstation a bit messy. So see this thing here, you need to pry it open. Normally I will have my take something sharp like that, then pry it open. Okay, see, spray open. Take your Allen key. It's a very small Allen key like that. Make sure you put the Allen key snug in before you do anything. Okay, turn, see? Slowly turn. Okay, just be careful. There is a nut at the back here. Make sure it doesn't drop. That's why I put my fingers here to cover. Okay, just release it. Okay, what's creating the sound is actually this piece over here. See, it's dry. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a thick grease, and spread it over like a sandwich like that. Okay, it inside doesn't really matter. So the more you put it, it will last longer. Okay. Then make sure all is intact again. And make sure that whatever you take have to put back. Do not leave anything behind. Okay, and then tighten it. Tighten it well. Okay, and then don't forget to cover back. Okay, cover back. So the next one also. So because the what you call it, the grease that was put on is very thin, so it wears out, and then that creates the rubbing sound, like bird chirping, not quite irritating So this is what normally I do to eliminate it. Some will spray WD-40. Yes, it may help for a while, but if you have the tools and the time, this will be a better solution for you, a longer solution, a longer time solution, rather than do it over and over again, and sometimes the sound doesn't go away. Yeah. So spread a bit more, doesn't kill you. Don't worry. So those who purchase the bike from us, from FazzBike or CtBike, this is what we'll do when they come to us. Normally we'll tell them, hey, you go for a quick lunch first and then come back. Be careful of this little thing here. Sometimes you get out. Yeah. So when you get out, just always put your finger at the back so it doesn't drop. It later drop, I don't know where it is. So sometimes try to get in the screw. Once it's in, you just need to tighten it. Tighten. Okay. And don't forget to cover again. Okay. It runs freely. Okay. So what you need to do next is, let me get back here. Then automatic. Okay. Again, how you put this in? See the chain and this spring pulley. Put it here. Put this in, and then make sure that this is seated in between. You don't get it stuck here. This way, make sure the chain is sitting well. Snap in. Yes. Sorry? Okay, just leave your bike first. I'm doing another bike. Yeah. There you go, customer. Tighten it. Okay. Make sure you push this upward so that the pulley is sitting where the wheel is, not like that. So if it's like that, I don't know if you can see or not. You can't shift it. It has to be on the higher side. Okay. So your size is this one, and like that. Just make sure that there's a washer in between the tensioner and the nut. That one you must put. If not, it will just go through it. So what you do is pull this. Okay. Yep. See, it's pulling. So then you put your front chain on also. Spin. Okay, it's locking. Okay, it's here. Do a big pull. That's it, and okay. This one, put it in. Screw the little nut back in. And pull. And tighten. So the tightening shouldn't be too tight. This is very loose. See? So just tighten it. Okay. Okay, and try the internal gear first. Push down. Okay, then you try the external gear up. Down. Okay, that's all. Thank you.